Hey folks, we're live tonight in Weslaco along South Milano Road, where a lot of construction going on, trying to improve the drainage out here. So if we get one of those big rainfalls like we did a couple of years ago, we won't have quite the problems they had out here a couple of years ago. Another couple of months, they say this should be done, and the road will be a whole lot better than it's been in a long time too. Hey, let's look at temperatures across the valley, see where we stand right now. These are the currents, and it's been a pretty much rain-free day across the area. 94 here in Weslaco at this hour. Same thing in Harlan. You get to the coast, Port Isabel is 90. While in Rio Grande City, it's still 96 degrees, but no readings over 100. Dew points are all in the mid-70s right now, so it is really humid out here again. The one thing that makes it feel a little better is the breeze that we showed you before the break, going 15, 20 miles an hour. That helps at least a little bit. This is what it feels like when you add the temperature and the humidity together. Most of the valley feels like it's over 100 by just a degree or two, but again, actual temperatures valley-wide in the 90s right now. Let's take a peek at what we expect on future track. It shows what's going on the next few days, and I think as we look ahead, our rain chances are really pretty minimal. We just don't see much. You notice by tomorrow it's just partly to mostly sunny and dry. You go forward into Saturday, it's partly to mostly sunny and dry, and oh yeah, that word hot keeps showing up in there as well. So sunshine and heat each of the next few days, and we don't see that changing until maybe Monday, when we get another surge of moisture, which could increase our rain chances just a little bit beginning Monday into Tuesday. But through Sunday, we don't see any rain at all. So as we take a look at our rain chances, here's what we show. Nothing Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like today, just blue skies and hot temperatures, and with that blue sky, temperatures will be allowed to get quite warm, over 100, or at least 100 each of the next few days, 101 on Saturday and Sunday, so the warm stuff is with us to stay. Now across Texas tonight, here's what's going on, and we're not alone in the heat. Look at that, 90s all the way up into the Panhandle. The only cool place in Texas right now is El Paso, which is 76 degrees. Let's look at the NAM model, the North American model. It kind of gives us an idea of what's happening, and when you look at it, that ridge is still there, that H, still in control of Texas weather, and likely will be for a while. But right now, it's a dry flow around it, mainly coming out of the northeast, and you get that dry flow, and it's hard to get any moisture in here. It's hard to get anything going on, and that leaves us with bright blue skies and very warm temperatures. And that's likely to be the case. It was today, will be tomorrow, again on Saturday, again on Sunday. The longer range models actually show the upper level winds by Monday, Tuesday, shifting a little bit and coming out of the northwest for a little while. And there's some indications there may be some rain to the north of us. It could push southward middle of next week. That is rare for this time of year, but we'll watch to see if maybe that can happen. Maybe a little rain come down from the north, but that's not likely to happen until, again, probably Tuesday or maybe Wednesday of next week. In the meantime, if you're beach bound in the morning, temperatures in the 80s and staying in the 80s pretty much all day long, 88 degrees in the afternoon, southeasterly winds all day as well. UV index is extreme, the rip current risk is low, kind of a picture perfect day at the coast. No real issues, just use plenty of sunscreen and stay hydrated. There are the tides, a low at 12:54 a.m., a high also in the morning, the next lows in the afternoon. Those tides are for the jetties. There's a moderate chop on the bay. Bay temperature right now is 85 degrees. So for tonight across the valley, about 77 for low. Skies stay mostly clear, and yes, it's humid. You can feel that. Winds die down southeast about 3 to 10. As we head into tomorrow, mostly sunny skies and hot, high of about 100 tomorrow. Southeast winds continue at 12 to 22. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast now. We've got 100 tomorrow, 101 for the weekend. And then notice next week we introduce the possibility of a spotty shower to the forecast, and chances go up as we head into the middle part of the week. At least a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. It looks like at least a shot at some rain across the area, but that doesn't come until next week. Between now and then, as we go through the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we expect plenty of sunshine, dry conditions, and highs, not quite records, but certainly up getting close to those record levels. So a hot weekend all across the valley. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast live in Weslaco. Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.